My name is Steven Jagnizak. My primary role is a manufacturing engineer. Basically, I oversee all the finishing department, copper and steel. With the paint line, my main responsibilities were basically take it from the ground up. Behind me is the 4-stage wash. As parts enter through the wash, they are cleaned with Troy Chemicals cleaner. And then stage 2 would be a rinse. Stage 3 is also a rinse. And then stage 4 is a zirconium pretreatment. The pretreatment helps with rust and adhesion of paint, so our parts don't get rusty and the paint doesn't chip off. We verify that the wash is working daily every morning, and then right before lunchtime we verify it again. If something isn't right, there's a controller that adjusts all the chemical baths to make sure that we get the proper adhesion and proper treatment of the steel. Then they get passed through a dry-off oven. That dry-off oven just evaporates all the water left on the part and kind of warms it up and helps us spray within tight bended areas. As the parts are dried off, they're put through the Nordson paint booth where they are sprayed according to our paint specs. As they are sprayed, they go through our main cure oven. They're hit with 900 degrees of IR panels for about 10 minutes, and then they're brought through the rest of the line for about 6 more minutes of line. When they come off the line behind me, and then as they are cured, they are quality checked, inspected, and then packaged and prepared to ship. Quality would be based on paint thickness and visual inspection, make sure there's no blemishes. Every part needs to be at least 2.8 mils or thicker in order to be a good part. If we see anything below that, we reject it and then paint it again. The paint line will have a positive effect on the manufacturing process due to the time we could turn around steel parts, where now we can manufacture 6 weeks ahead and then get them the parts within 4 weeks ahead, and then always keep shelves filled with parts for assembly. As far as customers go, they should see turnaround for units quicker. The most interesting part would be watching a good part come off the line. It's interesting to see how basically a year of preparation and planning, it gives you a good final part.